What's up, guys? My name is David Pierce Tuttle. I'm a filmmaker out of Wheaton, Illinois, and today we're diving behind the scenes of how I made this spec ad for Revolution Brewing Company. So first and foremost, this video is not sponsored. I was not paid by the company to make this. I simply just love their beer. I live locally and got inspired over the summer while enjoying a six-pack with my wife. I knew I wanted to go for like a chill, dreamy, summery, warm vibe commercial, and obviously sticking with the yellow orange tones, the warm sun crusher. So each project basically starts, for me, always starts with audio. So I logged into Artlist, which is my music subscription platform, and where I get all my music from, and I narrowed it down to 2 contenders, put both on my timeline, and cut them both up into 15 and 30-second versions. And then I just listened to both and just ultimately had to make a decision on which one I felt better fit the vibe that I was going for the commercial. Once I had that, then it was just really deciding on, well, do I like the 15 or 30-second version? And just ultimately, I just kept it short with the 15-second. Let's talk about gear. Basically using the same stuff I've been using, shooting on my GH4. I'm using a Canon 50mm lens. I'm using aperture lights. I've got a 300D Mark II with a lantern attachment, boomed overhead just on a C-stand. And that's giving a nice soft top light as well as lighting up the background. The backdrop is from Savage. The key light is an aperture 120D with the Light Dome 2. And then that I also am using a tiny aperture MC light as a little bit of a fill. Can is sitting atop just a cutting board from my kitchen, and that's sitting atop a spinning platter that I just got off of Amazon. So once I've listened to the song hundreds and hundreds of times, I've pretty much figured out what shots I really want to get, or at least some of the major ones. I know I want some close-up shots of the the can sweating, and I want a pop the top shot, a pouring shot, and the beer fizz foam shot, and then a hero ending shot. I'm using a mixture of water and vegetable glycerin for the sweat on the can, and I'm using a C-stand set up here for the different pour shots, and probably some fishing wire for the pop the top shot. Anyway, let's I think that covers it. What am I missing here? I feel like I'm missing something. I've done this, I've done so many takes of this, I feel like I'm missing something. Anyway, let's get the shots. Move on. Let's see. Next shot is going to be the pop the top. Now we're set up for the pour shot, and basically I've got the can, I cut open the bottom, and then I attached it to the C-stand with a clamp, and I got everything locked off here on the tripod, and I'm gonna just pour the beer through it here so it stays stationary, and we'll get the shot. that was it. Yes.
Yes!
And I'm just gonna do my hand putting the beer down. I'm gonna try and get it in its right spot and see how it goes.